Deepseek AI is the talk of the town now, and in this video I'll be walking you through how to use Deepseek AI assistant. So they also have their mobile app as well on Google Play Store and Apple App Store in case you just want to install one for yourself. So this is their official website, and you can see right here, this is just like a ChatGPT alternative. So, and then they also said this Deepseek AI provide a recent research and also have a valid information, which of course you can actually benefit compared to other AI assistants. So you can see how to get started right here. Then all you just have to do, just click on start now after visiting the deepseek.com, then click on start now, and then it will take you straight to the inside of the platform while you sign in through your Gmail account or email account. So all you just have to do, just come down and type in your prompt or type in your message based on what you actually want to search. And on these features right here, you can see you can also upload a document or an image while you actually want the Deepseek to analyze for you. So let's say, for example, what exactly is Deepseek? Exactly is Deepseek AI. You click on enter, then it's gonna do a thinking for you. You can see right there. So Deepseek artificial intelligence company, so you can see refers to a Deepseek, or you can see the China name, founded in 2023, is a Chinese company dedicated to making AGI a reality. So you can also see right there. So this one is just the thinking, and then this is the actual result. So you can see right there, and it also gives you a recent details. So let's say, for example, you are searching for some certain information like can I, or what are the 5 different methods to create content using Canva. Right, so it will do some research thinking, then you can see it's generating the result for you. So then after this, you will also see another section where it's bold those results. So you can see right there. So you can see here are the 5 methods to create content using Canva. So each leveraging different features of the platform. So pre-designed template, which of course Canva already have. You can see choose from thousands of customizable templates for social media posts, presentation, flyer, and all that. You can also customize your own by using the blank canvas. Then you can also do a collaborative team project while some people or you yourself also design and then co-edit or something like that. Then animation and video creation as well. Then the AI power tool. This is a new tool that Canva actually launched late last year. You can see the magic design. So use AI driven features like magic design, upload an image or enter a prompt to generate ready to use design or magic, right? So all these particular magic designs is actually new tools that the Canva launched, and it's really amazing, and it's doing so well. Even me myself, I'm actually using this feature so much. So there's a lot inside Deepseek that I believe you're gonna benefit from, right? So depend on how you actually want to use it and what exactly you want to use these particular tools for. But I believe you'll be able to get an accurate result based on what you're actually searching for. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below. So I want to make use of another use case. Let's say, for example, I help small business owners, and I'm trying to generate a content for the next 30 days using Deepseek. So what I'm gonna do is just to create a new chart. If I already have some charts, you can see these are different charts right here. So let's say I want to create a 30 days content for my small business for social media. So I just want to let Deepseek to understand my business. My business name is with small business solution, where I help small business owners with their social media content creation, content research, payroll management, and accounting software. I want you to generate 30 days content for me to post on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, then Facebook page, and Facebook page. My goal is to create or publish 4 content per week within the 30 days. Right, so then I'm gonna click on enter. Then I'm gonna wait for it to give me the idea. Then let's see what it's gonna do. Right, so I think I will end up having 16 to 17 posts in 30 days. So it has analyzed everything, how it will go, what to do, right? So then it will start from day 1. So I'm not sure that started yet. It doesn't start that one yet. Okay, now it started. You can see here 30 days content plan, 4 posts per week, right? So you can see 5 free tools to create viral content. So this is actually amazing for me. This is really amazing for me. So I'm gonna go through it. Just let's wait for it to finish creating, then I'm gonna go through that one after the other. So you can see it also suggests different tools for me that I can talk about on my content. So for day 1, so let's go through. For day 1, YouTube 8-minute tutorial showcasing tools like Canva, CapCut, etc. I can post it on Instagram and Facebook. For LinkedIn, I can use carousel. Then download our free toolkit guide for call to action, how to build a 30-day content calendar. You can see details walk through on calendar templates. So you can see right there, comment calendar for free template. You can see then client success stories. This is really amazing. And see content strategy, content research mastery, how to find trendy topics for your industry. You can see this is really amazing. So top 3 mistakes in content research, how to fix them. Then interactive post, then creating a poll, case study, how we boosted engagement by 200%, payroll management simplified, payroll software shut down from QuickBooks to Fasos Gusto. then how to avoid payroll tax penalties, so live question and answer, so automating payroll, a time saver for busy owners, or maybe business owners, something like that. Accounting software demystified. Then you can see Zero versus FreshBooks, which is better for small businesses. So how to track expenses like a pro. So tax season prep, best accounting practice. So monthly recap and offer. So you can see this is really amazing. So you can use this Deepseek to create unlimited content, and this is actually amazing. So you can see it touch every industries based on the prompt I actually give it. So it's really amazing for me. So I believe with this video you will be able to use Deepseek to your own best, and you'll be able to get an amazing results for that. Thank you.